This short movie will take you through the steps on how to override the minimum night stay using the control panel. This feature allows you to quickly change the minimum night stay for multiple rate types and categories from one screen. When minimum nights are changed from the control panel, both RMS 8 and online will read from this new setting. Overriding the minimum nights from the control panel will replace any minimum night rules you have applied for that day on either the rate table, period, or rate type. The data window on the chart, shown when you hover your mouse over any cell, will display the minimum nights number in red to indicate that it has been overridden. Let's go through the steps. From the chart, select the button named Control Panel. Select the dates you wish to override the minimum nights for. Select the property and/or categories that you wish to effect. From the Values section, choose Minimum Stay. Enter the minimum stay value you wish to apply. Lastly, choose which rate type you wish to apply this charge to. Once all sections are completed, select Apply Exit. Your data window will now display the overridden minimum nights in red.